Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a rice video and this recipe is packed with flavors, and if you guys are ready, we are going to get started. So for this recipe, we are going to add some sesame oil to this pot and also some vegetable oil, and this pot is heating at medium high. And the next ingredient is going to be our red onions. So you want to stir fry these onions until they're a little bit sauteed brown. So after mixing everything together, we are going to go ahead and add our rice in there. This is parboiled rice. So for every ingredient and measurement, I'm going to leave everything in the description below. So right now over here, I'm just stirring my rice to just fry a little bit, and then we're going to move on to adding our seasoning. I'm adding some paprika, some sour cream onion seasoning, and you want to go ahead and stir it for a little bit. So our next seasoning is going to be complete seasoning, Bombay biryani seasoning, and chicken bouillon seasoning, and you want to go ahead and mix it up. And then after that, we are going to add in our Sazon seasoning in the yellow pack and Sazon seasoning in the orange pack, and then add in some 2 bay leaves, as you guys can see, and continue mixing. So to complete this recipe, we are going to add some heat, and I'm using some Liberian's hot peppe, and this peppe is so hot and I love it. It's flavorful. And I'm going to go ahead and leave everything in the description below, guys. So over here we continue stirring, and we are going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of water. So, and after mixing everything with the water, you want to go ahead and add a lid and reduce your heat to a medium low heat. So you want to let your rice steam by itself. So right over here, guys, I'm stirring in and also tasting to make sure that the rice is well cooked or it doesn't need any water. But I tasted it and it looked like it needed water, so I added in 1/2 cup of water, and I'm going to let it steam again. So this is the end. This is how our rice looks like. It looks so fluffy, and guys, this rice was so flavorful. I hope you guys can try this video and let me know how your rice turns out to be, if you like hot stuff, because I love me some hot stuff. So guys, thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing, and for commenting. For those who are new, I just want to say thank you and welcome to this channel. And for those who are watching without subscribing, please hit that subscribe button, because we are bringing more food videos. If you love food or rice like I do, then welcome to this channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye.